Hey everyone, welcome back to another Flourish Fruit Scratch tutorial. Today we are creating a top-down zombie shooter from scratch. We learn how to move your players, shoot bullets, spawn zombies, and make them chase the player. Welcome to part 1 of our zombie shooter series. In this video, we will set up our scratch project and create a spooky background to match the vibe of a zombie theme. Let's get started. Now I have my scratch opened already. So this is a new project. And I'm going to delete this cat's sprites. Then as you can see, my stage is highlighted, the backdrop stage. And then all I need to do now is to go to the backdrop tab, click on convert to bitmap, and then click on the fill tool. I'm going to change the fill color by coming to this side where my mouse is, and then pick a reddish background. Restore it. Stored. This better. Okay, this is very good. Now this gives us a creepy atmosphere for our zombie shooter. Great work, we now have the perfect background for a zombie apocalypse. In the next part, we will design our player characters from a top-down view. Let's go.